Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel EduVenture SG. Let's do another interesting word problem on fractions. Let's start with reading the question first. Gina read 1 by 12 of her book on the first day and 1 by 6 of the book on the second day. If she decided to read 1 by 8 of the book every day from the third day onwards, which day will she complete reading the book? Okay, so what we have here is Gina, a girl, right? And she is reading a book. Okay, so what she has read on the first day is 1 by 12 of the book, right? So on the first day she read 1 by 12 of the book, and on the second day she read 1 by 6 of the book. Okay, so let's write the information, right? Start writing the information. So on the first day, so let's say this is her first day, and she read 1 by 12 of her book, right? So when we say 1 by 12, right, 1 by 12 means it's like she has divided all the pages of her books into 12 equal parts, right? 12 equal parts, and on the first day she read one part of it. Okay, she read one part of it. So in other words, we can say she has read 1 by 12 of her book, right? Then how about the second day? On the second day she read 1 by 6 of the book, right? So let's write this as well. So on the second day she has read 1 by 6 of the book, right? So what we have here is like the same book. It's like divided into 6 equal parts, so it's really hard to compare, right? So let's convert the denominator here on the second day same as the first day, right? So that we can compare, right? So how do we convert it to 12? It's simple, just multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, so it will give you 2 by 12. So basically on second day she has read 2 by 12 of the book. Okay, then let's read the question further. If she decided to read 1 by 8 of the book every day from the third day onwards, right? That means obviously we know that on first day she read 1 by 12, on the second day she read 2 by 12 of the book. Then she decided on third day, okay, she fixed it. Okay, every day from today, right, from that means on the third day I will read 1 by 8 of the book. Okay, 1 by 8 of the book. So what do you think? Which day will she complete reading the book? Okay, so let's first find out after reading the first 2 days how much of the book is left. Means how many pages of the book she is still left to read, right? So let's write it like this. So the left is, how much is left is 1 minus 1 by 12 minus 2 by 12, right? So obviously it will give me 1 minus 3 by 12, that will give me 9 by 12, right? 9 by 12. And if we write it in its simplest form, right, so we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 3, right? So it will give me 3 by 4. Basically after 2 days she's still left with 3 by 4 of the book. Okay, she is still left with 3 by 4 of the book. Now from third day onwards she is reading 1 by 8 of the book every day, right? That means same book. If she let's say we divide it into 8 equal parts, right? The number of pages, obviously we can't divide the book into 8 parts, but it's like the number of pages, whatever number of pages are there, she decided, okay, let's divide it into 8 equal parts, and every day I will read one part of it. Okay, you might ask me a question like how come she divided it into 12 parts, now into 8 parts? Yes, you can do that, right? If you order a pizza, right, if you order a pizza, there are 3 people only, you divide equally in 3 parts, right? Same pizza, if there are 4 people, you can divide it equally into 4 equal parts, right? You can divide it into 8 equal parts as well, right? 8 equal parts as well. So it's the same pizza, you can divide it into different number of equal parts. So same way the same book, right, the number of pages can be equally divided into different parts, right? So let's say, so from the third day onwards, when she decided, okay, I will read 1 by 8 of the book every day. Okay, so for the leftover, right, the leftover number of pages, right, we should also convert the denominator here to 8, right? Why? So that we can compare, right, how much is left, what part of the book is left. So how do we do that? How do we convert the denominator here for this fraction to 8? Simple, right? Just multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. It will give you 6 by 8. That means after 2 days, right, after 2 days of reading, she's still left with 6 by 8 of the book. And she decided what? She will read 1 by 8 every day. So what do you think? How many days she will take to read 6 by 8? So let's find out. So the number of days that Gina will take will be, how do we calculate it? Just divide the total, right, total book, what is left, right, divide it by 1 by 8, right, because every day she's reading 1 by 8 of it, right? Then this one, right, how do we solve it? We can convert this division to multiplication, and then we have to flip this number. That means the numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator, right? In other words, you can say this fraction, for this fraction we have to write the reciprocal of it. Okay, so from here, okay, we can cancel this 8 and we'll get 6, right? We'll get 6 here. So basically when we divide 6 by 8 by 1 by 8, we'll get 6. Okay, that means she will take another 6 days to finish reading 6 by 8 of her book, right? Another 6 days. Let's read the question now. Which day will she complete reading the book? Okay, which day means on which day, first day, second day, third day, fourth day, like that. Okay, so we know that leftover part, right, this 3 by 4 or 6 by 8 of the book, she took 6 days, but she has already taken two days earlier, right? First day and the second day, two days earlier also she has read the book. So we need to add those 2 days, right? So the total number of days will be how many? 6 plus another 2, right? That will give us 8. Okay, so we can write our answer. Quickly write our answer. Gina will complete reading the book on which day? 8th day, right? By the end of 8th day she will be done, right? So on 8th day. Okay, so that's our solution. Hope you like the solution. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you.